Today we're out here for an employee appreciation event. We're at our shop here in Belle Plaine. I just want to say thank you to all of our employees for all your hard work. We always try to do this in the middle of summer here to give a nice break during the heat. So we're enjoying some bean bags and some grilling out, and tonight we're going to the races. This is a great opportunity for us to show how much we appreciate everyone's hard work. They work a lot of hours, working since May, putting in long hours together, and this is a good way just to show how much we appreciate that and relax and sit back and have a good time.
J&W is a big company. We put out a lot of work, but at no time do I want J&W to be known as the quantity company. So we have a set of core values, and that attention to detail is very important. We're just here to have a good time. What else do you want to do?